Welcome. The Directorate of Technical Education, DTE, has taken the initiative to offer online registration for GCET 2020. Students can submit the application form online in 3 simple and easy steps. Log on to www.gcet2020.com. Registration process is 3 simple steps. Step 1. Student has to register his or her email ID or use the email ID of parents. It must be a valid email ID, which is to be used as login ID. Step 2. Fill in the application form and make the payment. Thereafter, you can opt for the exam center. Kindly note that, if the choice of your center is not available, then the system will direct you to choose the next available center. Step 3. Using the login ID, you will be able to access and print your admit card. Now let us go through each step one by one. Step 1. Register. Log on to www.gcet2020.com. Read the steps clearly. Note, registration and login shall be functional from 26th of May, 2020 to 10th of June, 2020. Only candidates aspiring for admissions to engineering and pharmacy courses in Goa State need to appear at GCET 2020. Then click on Read Instructions. Read the instructions properly and click on Proceed to fill online form. Then click on Register. You must enter a valid email ID, where you will receive a confirmation mail. Password must have minimum 8 characters, a combination of alphabets, numbers, special characters. Confirm the password by entering it twice. Click on Sign Up. Verify your email ID by clicking on the link sent to your email.
Log into your email ID and check your inbox. You must have received a confirmation mail from DTE.
Click on Verify Email, which will redirect you to the login page.
Step 2. Fill up the form and make the payment.
Enter the email address and password you have used during registration and click on Login to your account. Then you will be redirected to the form. Now continue to fill up the form.
Enter your name as per SSCE certificate. Select or enter your date of birth.
Enter your place of birth and select gender. Now enter your address. Enter your mobile number where you will receive SMS notification. Now enter your academic details and select GCET subjects to answer. Note, a student shall choose a minimum of 2 subjects including physics, which is compulsory. Now upload a scanned copy of the photograph with the specified dimensions. Now upload a scanned copy of the signature with the specified dimensions.
Check in the declaration specifying the details entered are correct and true.
Now click on Proceed for payment. Ensure that you have prior knowledge of online payment portals, net banking, credit or debit card, any bank. You will be directed to HDFC Bank's online payment portal to make a payment of Rs 2,000 without late fee, or Rs 3,500 with late fee, since only online payments are accepted.
Enter the bank details and click on Pay Now. Once you submit the form, the status of the form gets saved. You can log into your account and check the progress of the form submission.
After making the payment, you can opt for the exam center. Kindly note that, if the choice of your center is not available, then the system will direct you to choose the next available center.
Step 3. Print the admit card. Make sure you carry the admit card on the day of the exams along with any one valid government-issued photo identity card - voter ID, Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, HS school ID, HSSC exam hall ticket.